that right there? Is that a tornado? That's a tornado for me. Get in. Get in now. Get in. Get in.
I'm getting it.
It definitely is. Yes. Stay down. Stay down. KI-5 GKQ Honey Grove. Got eyes on a tornado touchdown. About 5 miles to the west. About 7.5 miles north of Honey Grove. Large tornado.
Ja face the revolution.
Oh, what are those flying?
That's debris. It hit something. Oh, it hit right there. It just took us so hard.
Really oh my god!
Hey, we need to get a sausage.
Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god! Should we ready to go home? This looks like he's coming this way. Yeah. Oh my god!
Hi everybody. Please be careful.
Tornado aftermath in Pembroke Pines, Florida.
Mist coming in. Like something is brewing, about to begin. Can't put me finger on what lies in store.
Berarti didukung ke alam man.
Buka tanda buruk. Kawali kaibarkan kawali.
Masuklah ke tenda coba, masuklah ke tenda ya, masuklah ke tenda.
Tenda sa Cirian, tenda sa.
Tahun 2000.
Tenda. Kalau mau judi kan di data. Aku. Nah. Het lijkt op een tornado, ja.
Nee! Oh. Dan gaan ze spullen straks op. Kijk daar, daar zie je hem draaien. Zie je het voor je? Ga weg.
Jezus.
Hij komt naar hier. Hij lijkt naar rechts te gaan.
Oh, ben ik nou toch niet in de auto?
Godver, ja.
Ja, hij gaat net aan jullie voorbij, hè? Zo. Oh, kijk. Così, ja, niet iedereen.
Zo even.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Help me, dog.
We're not gonna die, dong. Okay, I think it's gone.
It's hitting something. Oh no, it just hit something. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my.
Very violent motion at the surface. What time is it? 7:10. I think it was a barn.
Just stay here, you're fine.
It's gonna come at us.
No.
I'm scared.
No, it's not. No. No, stay here.
I'm just moving out of the way of the cars.
It's gonna go that way.
How do you know?
Just
Oh God.
stay calm.
Oh my God. Jesus, please be with us.
Just,
Fuck. Oh my God, Keith.
you're okay. It's not doing anything. It's going past us. It's going to the right. It's going to be past in a second.
told you it was one.
Whoa.
Oh, dear Jesus. The roof just came off. Oh, my God.
Okay, you're fine. It's already passed.
It is not. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
You're okay.
Oh, no.
Okay, it's already going past. Just stay here.
Why are all these fucking cars coming at me? Should I go?
You should just stay here for a minute. We're not near any power lines or trees. It's already starting to clear up. Just don't go under those lines right there.
No, did you see the spark?
Alright, it's passed.
Yeah, look at the stuff coming up. Oh, there it is. It's a real tornado. Check it out, y'all. It's tearing up stuff over there. Golly, there's debris everywhere. It's coming right at us. Oh, wow. Let's go in. Come on in, Bruce. Come on in. Oh, shit. Wow, that was intense, y'all. It broke everything up. Oh, wow.
Eric's out there? Oh! Oh no! Oh, there goes my room. It's down. Wow.
Oh gosh. Oh Lord. Oh shit.
Wow, mucha basura. Pobre del que tenga que barrer el parqueadero mañana. Oh, sí está grande, zumba como un... Wow. Este sí va... Mira, se llevó la casa. Ah. Sí. Wow. Este va a quedar para la vida. ¿Y cómo se queda quietecito como ahorita que estaba pasando, eh?